with the hashtags
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to one of the biggest and most exciting cycling events in the Metro, the Mall of Asia ride. Hundreds of cyclists, from beginners to hardcore riders, came together for a fun, energizing ride around the city and the iconic Mall of Asia globe. Let's go! As early as sunrise, cyclists from all over the city started arriving at the Mall of Asia grounds. You could feel the energy in the air, helmets clicked, bikes tuned, jerseys on point. There were folding bikes, road bikes, mountain bikes, even e-bikes, all ready to roll.
Thank you.
Everyone gathered near this globe, which served as the main assembly point. Music was pumping, marshals were giving final reminders, and of course, selfies left and right. The mall ride wasn't just about fitness, it was about community, passion, and sharing the road with fellow two-wheeled warriors. And then we rolled out. The peloton made its way around the wide roads of the Mall of Asia complex, with beautiful views of the bay on one side and the buzz of the city on the other. We passed through service roads, open parking areas, and looped around the mall globe, definitely one of the highlights. There were cheers from spectators, friendly waves from passers-by, and the occasional side boss from security and event staff. What made this ride extra special? It was inclusive. No pressure. No competition. Just the joy of cycling, whether you were riding solo with Barcada or bringing the whole family along. Along the route, some set up hydration stations and even quick tune-up tents. Salute to the organizers for keeping us safe and ready. There were marshals guiding the group and medical teams on standby, though thankfully, it was all smooth sailing. Some cyclists were even rocking themed outfits and decorated bikes, from light setups to Philippine flag-inspired jerseys.
Oh yeah, minsan lang.
Minsan
yeah.
si Sonic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Small world.
Right.
Sharing.
Lara, K-pop.
Ito na po, showbiz.
Kabati ko nga pala yung asawa ko.
Shout out.
Shout out, ang ganda ng anak natin.
Wow!
If you missed this year's mall ride, don't worry, there's always next time. And if you were there, comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more local cycling adventures. Ride safe. Thank you for watching.